What if I told you that there's a secret key sitting in your kitchen right now, capable of numbing your pain, opening your sinuses, and helping cleanse your blood in less than 120 seconds? Before you reach for your medicine cabinet, there's an ancient protocol that dentists and sailors relied on for centuries. Today, science is finally revealing why it can work faster than almost any pill you swallow. I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your body, minute by minute, when you place one whole clove in one very specific spot beneath your tongue. And why is this location considered the body's direct emergency gateway to your heart and brain? Stay with me, because method number 3 may solve your chronic headache problem in just 5 minutes. But first, there's an important medical warning coming halfway through this video. One simple mistake could turn this benefit into a painful burn of your mucous membranes. So, are you ready for the 5-minute challenge? Why does your tongue absorb this compound up to 10 times faster than your stomach? The answer lies in your physiology. Beneath your tongue is one of the densest networks of blood vessels in your entire body. It's the very same pathway emergency heart medications use to enter your bloodstream in less than 3 minutes. When you place a whole clove there, you bypass your digestive system and stomach acid, allowing eugenol to enter your nervous system directly. Minute 1. You'll notice a warm, sharp, slightly sweet taste. That's the moment the essential oils begin to activate. Minute 2. This is when the real numbing effect begins. The affected area gradually loses sensation, signaling that eugenol has started interrupting pain signals along the nerve pathway. But do you know what's happening to your sinuses at this exact moment? I'll explain that in method number 1. Method 1. The sinus and cold relief shock. The moment you notice a sore throat or nasal congestion, place one whole clove beneath your tongue. By the 4th minute, you'll feel as though your airways have suddenly opened thanks to eugenol's blood vessel dilating effect. Here's a question for you. Have you ever taken a deep breath and felt cool air filling your chest? That's exactly what you'll experience. Method 2. The 3 o'clock headache solution. If you suffer from tension headaches after spending hours in front of screens, don't immediately reach for a chemical painkiller. Our protocol is simple. Place one whole clove beneath your tongue while gently pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This helps reduce pressure within the blood vessels located behind your eyes. And here's the surprising question. Do you know why sailors in the past never set sail without cloves? You'll discover the answer in the next method. Method 3. The motion sickness and seasickness trick. Cloves aren't just for pain relief. They also help calm your stomach through the aroma you inhale and the oil absorbed beneath your tongue. The scent alone stimulates the vagus nerve, helping soothe stomach contractions. Try this while traveling. You may be amazed by the result. But stop before you put a clove in your mouth. There's an important warning you need to hear. Cloves are highly concentrated. If you experience a burning sensation that doesn't subside within the first 60 seconds, remove the clove immediately. And listen carefully. If you're taking blood-thinning medications, cloves may increase their effects in an unpredictable way. Here on our channel, we want to help you become stronger, not encourage unnecessary risks. Now, let's move on to the most powerful use of cloves, the one that could save you thousands in dental bills. Method 4. The emergency remedy for a throbbing tooth. Long before ibuprofen was invented, cloves were considered the king of tooth pain relief. Press the whole clove gently against the aching tooth. By the 2nd minute, bite down lightly to release its oily resin. At that moment, you're applying a natural topical anesthetic that helps quiet the irritated nerve. It won't cure tooth decay, but it may help you enjoy a peaceful night's sleep until you can see your dentist. Method 5. The deep breath freshening protocol. Mouthwash only masks bad breath, but cloves help target the sulfur-producing bacteria responsible for causing it. Keep one whole clove in your mouth for 5 minutes after lunch. It doesn't just freshen your breath. It also helps protect your gums from chronic inflammation. And here's one final discovery. People who follow this protocol for 14 consecutive days often notice that their gum bleeding completely disappears. Before you go, here's one final secret that many people overlook. To get the maximum benefit from this protocol, always make sure your clove is whole. with its rounded bud still attached, because that tiny bud contains the most valuable essential oils. If you use a broken clove, you could lose up to 50% of its effectiveness. Here's today's challenge. Place one whole clove beneath your tongue right now. Then come back and tell me in the comments, did the numbing sensation begin during the first minute or the second? We're working toward 200,000 subscribers before the end of the month. If this microscopic journey beneath your tongue taught you something new today, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Share this secret with someone who struggles with headaches or tooth pain and be the reason they discover a natural way to find relief. And tell me in the comments, is this the old grandmother's remedy you had forgotten? Or is this your very first discovery tonight? I wish you a strong body and deep, refreshing breaths.